But the difference between just moving outward and closing inward is a lot different than the opening feeling of the Pangjin. So the idea is that you want to move from the center of your body, stretch up, down, left, right, forward, and backwards. So creating a sphere that starts from the center, pushing towards the outside. All right, just moving the arms isn't the same thing. The feeling's from inside first. So first from inside, then moves to the outside. And that's what supports the body. When the body relaxes, you can have the energy support you. If you don't relax, you're always going to be held up by muscle contraction. So you could say that expansion is the opposite of contraction. So if you think the muscles clenching, everything gets smaller. The muscle fibers get smaller. The joints close together. We want to do the opposite of that. We want the joint to open. So elbow joint, the bones actually separate. Wrist joint, separate. Shoulder joint. Everything opening. Every cell of the body is expanding bigger, 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 bigger. So with that in mind, I'll work with this simple exercise first, which is expand outward. So this is working the left and right plane. The fingertips extend. So from inside the body, stretching out to the fingertip. From inside the body, stretch out to the other fingertip. And coming back down, go back to neutral. So neutral is 0. Neutral is not expanding, not clenching, not closing. It's just nothing. Balanced nothingness. From Dantian, expand, pushing out. Left and right, tip of head up, shoulders down, armpits open, elbows down, extend the fingertips. Then relax, go back to 0. So how much outward expansion you use is up to you. It can depend on the situation or what you're working on. But you could think of it like turning the volume on your stereo. So you can have just 1% expansion, very, very light. So like just enough energy to move a cloud out of the way. Or you can turn it up to 2, so a little bit.